Raining in December, you're a long way from home. Not too sure where that is, 'cause it's been so damn long. Your mind starts to racing with all that you could have done. You can't go back now, 'cause you've been gone so long, a long old time. Rain on your window was keeping 3-4 times. As you stood in the doorway, you did your best not to cry. No, she ain't sleeping, but you still gotta go, even though she's the closest that you've had to a home in a long old time. Scary kind of feeling when you both drift apart, like two ships in the night, both lost in the dark. You might just run aground, float out to sea. Yes, it can take a long time to get where you got to be, a long old time. Call up your brother if you still had a dime, before your pockets were empty and your lungs still worked fine. But so long to the flatlands you once called your home. Farewell to the foothills where you used to roam. Won't be back there for a long old time. You won't be around for a long old time, a long old time.